This is a 5 on your side local news update.
Well, good afternoon. All about location, location, location today. If you are south and west of St. Louis, your clouds are much thicker, and there's some areas getting some downpours right now. We're looking here in Arnold off towards the south, and definitely a darker sky there. Meanwhile, we go out to St. Charles, and while there are clouds, we've had some filtered sunshine. And as you go farther north and northeast of St. Louis, we are finding brighter skies and warmer temperatures too. Getting up towards Springfield right now, 83. We're 81 in St. Louis, but look at Columbia. Only right around, well, they just dropped back into the 60s as the rain pushed in. Springfield's in the 60s as well. There are showers, quite a few of them, down to the south and southwest of St. Louis. The closest here, trying to work in towards Waterloo, coming in towards Festus. Again, mainly south and southwest of St. Louis is where this rain is. And this is all light that's getting into Jefferson County. You do pick up some heavier rain as you push farther south and southwest. Going out here into portions of Gasconade County, Phelps County, and then farther south. Look at these storms out around Gerald. There's some lightning in there, a few rumbles of thunder. They stretch out towards mid-Missouri, and embedded in there some downpours. Some moderate at times rain here across southern and central portions of Crawford County. So if you're float tripping today out along the Merrimack River, while there's not much in the way of lightning with that showing up at all, it is a little damp along the river at this point. There is some lightning down towards Ellington right now, heading towards Centerville and Lesterville over into Madison County in Missouri. All of this is kind of pushing up 55, but most of it is moving to the northwest. And as it moves northwest, northwest, that just kind of puts the metro area on the eastern fringes of this area of moisture for this afternoon. So while there is a chance we will see a shower or a thunderstorm from St. Louis east and northeast, those chances aren't as impressive as farther south and southwest, where it's already raining now and will likely continue off and on into the afternoon, which will hold your temperatures in the upper 60s to around 70. Farmington's just 70 right now, 69 in Rolla, DeSoto at 72. Contrast that with the areas that have had some sunshine and are dry, and temperatures are around 80. We do think there is at least a shower chance over parts of the metro area during the next couple of hours, but it's a pretty low chance from St. Louis points east and north, south and west. Those rain chances are much, much higher. And temperatures will largely depend on whether you're seeing rain or you aren't. And the models aren't necessarily handling this all that well. But the gist of it is west and southwest of St. Louis is the greatest chance for rain this afternoon, early this evening. Overnight, we may see a few more showers. And as we go into Saturday, the potential's there for some more scattered showers. Clouds most likely are thicker tomorrow for more of us than what we've seen today. But the greatest chance for rain still lingers to the west and southwest of St. Louis tomorrow, but the metro area is included in this. This whole area of moisture kind of feeding in from the Gulf, that's what's keeping us in this strange pattern, and it is a bit of a strange pattern. The Live Radar 24/7 is always streaming on our app. You can scan that QR code, and it'll take you to your options to get there. Dew-point temperatures, well, it's a little muggy today, tomorrow and Sunday, yeah, but Monday as well. But by Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, some much drier air pushes in. But as we head towards the upcoming weekend, next weekend, it does look like it's much more summer-like in St. Louis. Quick look at Sunday here. While we can't rule out a shower or thunderstorm Sunday, it does look like the best shot would be during the overnight hours Sunday into early Monday morning. And then that would press south and east, leaving us with a chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms for Monday afternoon, Monday evening. And then after that, pretty much dry weather on the table for the rest of next week. Hopefully you do get some rain. We definitely need it. Tonight, temperatures in the 60s to around 70. Tomorrow, close to 80, give or take a couple of degrees. All depends on whether you're seeing rain in your neighborhood. Monday, we should spike up to about 86. And then it's much less humid with comfortable mornings for Wednesday morning and Thursday morning. By the time we get into the end of the weekend, more humid.
This has been a 5 on your side local news update.